So if you're trying to just like put this on and go like this, you could. Mama, I'm sure my mama would do this. And some aunties in my church, they'll do this and they'll be just fine and just happy with that. That's okay. But since you're watching this video, you want better for ourselves. I want better for myself. So we're gonna put a little effort, a little work to turn this into a great work of art. It's immaculate. We're nice and flat. Fuck with me, bro. I'm so good at what I do. Okay. Here's a little looky look at the wig right on my head. No plucking, no melting, no tinting, no nothing. I mean, it's not bad, but like you can see right here on the edges, really like melting super seamlessly. I'm sure just some tinting will help with that, but it's not bad. The hairline is really the hairline. The hairline is what's tea. And this coloring, I'm really here for the coloring. Ooh, I just love wearing blonde wigs. They just do something. Like, look, like I feel like blonde. I was honestly meant to be a blonde in a past life. I believe that. Beyonce, is that you? It's not too bad at the box. The hairline is really nicely plucked out, I'll tell you that. The foundation is there. It's there. Speaking of foundation, let's add some foundation to this lace. Give it a little tinting so it'll melt better. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hi. That's what's usually under the hood. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. That's like my current best forehead shade. I'm just going to buff that in underneath. Could use some edge control right now, especially with blonde wigs or just colored wigs. I like to make sure I'm pushing back my edges because they'll poke through and ruin the illusion we have going on here. So just push them back. Nice. Very nice. And then we can go ahead and install her now. And see what a little tinting can do. Now the edges that I was talking about earlier, they blended it a lot better. Just sometimes maybe the lace is not bad, it just needs to be tinted, y'all. Now you can get away with wearing this like completely glueless, but still, I'm going out tonight, so I kind of want some more security with this. It looks so cute. I kind of want some more security, but like it blends a lot better. I think because also since like it's a really big lace, it's almost damn near a frontal itself. So like of course right here on the side it's gonna like flap a little bit, but no biggie, no biggie. Let's spray I'm gonna spray the lace down to give it some security. I recently picked up the Kiss Colors Super Stay Spray. Now this is the level 7. For the longest I've been using the level 10. The level 10, love her down, but sometimes she can be a little bit too strong. A little bit too strong, and it's sometimes really annoying for continuous use when I use a level 10. It's so hard to wash out of my lace because it sticks very well. So I recently got the level 7 from Amazon. It's like a little less strong, and I feel like I like this one too, honestly. This though, this whole brand, Line Care, is so good. They have a level 8 and level 9 and a 10. So check out different. If you're feeling like the other one I recommended before is too strong, definitely go ahead and check out the level 7 or less levels. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this. Actually, I'm just gonna spray it on top. Boom, boom. See, so effortless. And look at that. I haven't even like melted it down. And look at that, versus this to this. Many people say putting on wigs is hard. You just don't know. I feel like you guys just don't know what to do. That's really it. Because once you figure out how to lay your wigs in the easiest way, it's so easy. So I'm just going to spray under here. What I'm doing to help make sure like it covers up the little sides, I'm just like bringing down the hairs right here to help like camouflage those edges. Give a little spray. Okay, spray the center, and then to lock in that spray, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and press it all down. make sure I don't fast forward any of this so y'all can see I did this all in real time. Just like what? Just like that, lace is melted. Crazy. Now let's get into some styling. Some swirling. Don't want to add baby hairs to this. To baby hair or not to baby hair? That is the question. I feel like I do want to keep it in a middle part though, because look how long the parting is. Like, girl, it go all the way back. On the sides though, I guess you get some like deep, because like I think about these like hybrid closure things, they like come in a curve. So like the deepest parting is in the middle, but on the sides it's not like super deep, but it's not bad. It's still quite deep. So I'm gonna do no baby hairs. I'm just gonna keep it very simple because time is going. I'm gonna go ahead and put the elastic band on into some styling. I think I don't know if I want to straighten or curl it. I think I want to straighten it just to see how it's gonna look. I'm gonna spray some heat protectant on it, especially with it being blonde hair. Heat protectant is very necessary. I just want to like do a rough straightening to see if I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it straight. Oh, it straightens nicely. Being better for the price. The fuck? Okay, okay. I like that. Okay, I think I like it straight. Okay, I went ahead and took off the elastic band. And I'm feeling it straight. Okay, I feel like Nene Leakes right now. It's giving Nene. It's like a Nene Leakes like signature. And I liked how like I just brought some like little hairs out right here on the side where the closure ends. And I'm just gonna like cut them a little bit like this to give like a long sideburn action. Okay. I'm gonna use this Revlon round brush to help like straighten it a lot better. I feel like a round brush is like blow drying the hair is the best way to get like a nice sleek straight look. Okay, now I want to give the ends a chop, because what? 2 scoops of hair, y'all. I cannot. I'm just going to chop off these ends. Okay. I feel like it's still not giving enough for me. Like it needs a little bit more tweaking. Maybe I'll just make it more sleek, add some layers. It's still like meh. So I'm gonna brush it, comb it down. And then I wanna add some layers. I always go like diagonally downwards. And just open and close my scissors down. This one starts I usually start my collarbone. Okay, to give the hair some extra razzle dazzle, y'all see how like nice it looks on this side versus this side? This side look real good, huh? Let me show you what I did. Okay, so first I went in and actually, after adding the layers, sometimes you gotta stop being lazy. I gotta tell myself, and you gotta go in and straighten the hair section by section. Cause that's the first thing I did. I was being lazy. I wasn't trying to do all that. But you can't really be lazy when the wig is damn near already did for you, okay? So I'm just going in and straightening it. It's mainly up here that needs the straightening. And then on the ends, I add like a little, you know, a little bumpity bump. I feel like a little bump ain't never hurt nobody. I just don't like sleek straight hair on me. I feel like it always just looks so blah. Like a little razzle dazzle to my hair. That's literally all I'm doing. Just suctioning it so I can make sure I don't miss anybody, and adding a little inward bump at the ends just to help make the hair look less boring. I'm like, ooh, y'all see that? I gotta redo this side. I'm doing this side is coming out a lot better. Oh yeah, this is money. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh, that looks good. Okay, let me redo this. Let me redo the other side actually. I think it's because I'm like making sure I'm bringing it in towards my face. My swoops. Yeah. This side looks real stinking good. Yes. Come through. You see, now I'm starting to feel it. This side just needs a little bit more layers, just a tad. Like right here. Ooh, too much. Just a little bit. It's not to get too crazy now. I feel like these pieces in the front, I want them just a little bit shorter. Even this one. Just a little bit shorter. Now we're gonna go in and wanna redo this side. I'm just having the bump come in towards my face. There we go. Oh, this eats. It's giving like 90s. Yeah, I like it. It makes the hair fun. Like, oh, this eats, y'all. This eats. Ooh. Fuck with me, bro. I'm so good at what I do. And it's all because this, if you want to get really good layers, get you one of these. This is a face razor, but I like this one specifically. I get mine from CVS. This razor, if I can find it on Amazon, I'm going to link it down below. But this razor, so good. Relax, Caroline. Don't cut too much. Ooh. And the trick for to get these little flips, you want to bring it all the way, bring it all the way into your face. Not just this. You want to bring it in tight. It's the way I never know what look I'm going for when I start filming, but the end result always is phenomenal. I didn't know the results. These were gonna be the results. What? You know what I'm saying? Bring it in all the way across like that to get that curled look at the ends. To make the part pop a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a light colored concealer, usually the shade I use on my brows. I'm gonna put that on a nice little thin angled brush and place that as straight as possible as I can. It's not gonna be that straight. Right on that center parting that goes all the way back. Jeez, it's damn near half the wig. Just gonna do some finishing touches. Gonna add some wax on top to smoothen everybody. Gonna add a little bit this Sleek and Shine serum, just a bit. I don't want it to weigh the hair down too much. Ooh. Okay. Get the hot comb right in that middle part to get everybody nice and flat for real. Yeah. Nice, nice. Nice and flat. Don't play with her. I love this. This looks so good. It's eating. It's giving editorial, okay? And the color, 10 out of 10. I can honestly say this is like one of the best pre-colored blonde highlight wigs I've ever gotten. Like, it's about, because the coloring, getting a good pre-colored wig, especially with like highlights, is really hard. A lot of them, it'd be streaky, but I'm really good at like, it's not too noticeable if you don't look too hard. But this looks like a professionally colored wig. Like, I took it to a colorist. One thing I can't do, y'all know I know how to slay my whole hair, but I do not know how to color hair like blonde. I can do a jet black, but I don't know how to like do good blondes. So for somebody like me, it's a bit of me. Like, hold on, there's like little pieces trying to like ruin the hard work we have going on here. Like, don't piss me off. And it's nice and silky, and I like how the hair doesn't like get frizzy, because blonde hair too, it frizzes up so easily because like heat damage. But I kept passing the hair with, like, y'all saw me, I used 2 different hot tools and it's still holding down its sleekness. But it could be the products I use, but I don't know. Overall, I like it. It's good. I'm about to look so good tonight. Like, ooh, yeah. It's fun. It's flirty. Like, on, like, closure, where? Exactly. Very mindful, very demure. Okay, I'm gonna get going now. I'll see you guys in another one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this look, the vibes. Hope this was helpful, entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful, entertaining. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, or if anything, at the least entertaining, and you enjoyed spending some time with your girl, with your girl Caroline. But let me get going, and I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?